Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. We're gonna make a school supply holder, and we're gonna make it look like a pencil. It's gonna be so cute. What you need is a container that is a cylinder shape. It can be a chip container like I have, or it can be a paper towel tube, anything that is this shape. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna wrap this cylinder with yellow paper. We're just gonna wrap it like this and glue it on. Okay, now this is the beginning of our pencil. So now we need an eraser, right? So we're gonna take the lid, if it has a lid. If it doesn't have a lid, we're just gonna trace the top here. Now I do have a lid, so I'm gonna take my pink, like the color of an eraser, and I'm gonna trace this circle, and I'm gonna cut it out. All right, now I'm gonna glue this right on top of my lid. If I don't have a lid, I'm just gonna glue it onto the bottom of the container. All right, now we need a little bit more of an eraser on here. So what we're gonna do is we're going to cut a strip of this pink, like that, and then we're gonna roll it again around the container like this, and we're going to glue it on. All right, looking good. Now, I just want a little tiny black strip. So I'm gonna cut just a little black strip out of my black paper here. And now I'm gonna wrap that between the yellow and the pink of the pencil, like that, and glue it on. Now, we need to make the pointy end. So we're gonna take a white piece of paper and we're gonna draw a half circle, and we're gonna cut it out. Now I have my half circle cut out. We're gonna make a pointy end. Just fold it, wrap it around, and you're gonna glue it again. Now I'm gonna take my black crayon, black marker, whatever you have, and I'm gonna color the tip of this cone. This is gonna be the lead of our pencil. I'm gonna stick my lid on. There's my eraser lid. Here's my pencil top. Now I gotta glue this on. Let it dry for a little while. Let that glue dry really well. And look at this. Now I can open up the lid and I can put in all of my school supplies. What a fun activity! If you want to do more fun activities, visit our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.